Africa no go forget Sankara, lie. Even if them wipe him face commit from flag. Even if them bury am like thief, his spirit still dey waka. This no be ordinary Gistory. Na true talk about one man wey tell France say no. One man wey ride bicycle go walk while other presidents dey fly private jet. One soldier wey say make poor man no suffer again. But them kill am, them silence am, or so them think. Because his spirit dey move today inside one young leader, Ibrahim Traoré. Burkina Faso don rise again. Make we begin the journey of the red beret of the people's president, Sankara. December 21, 1949, for one small town where them they call Yako, Upper Volta, Pidgin cry enter life. Thomas Isidore Noel Sankara. Im papa na ex-soldier, strict like army. Im mama na quiet woman, we carry prayer for head. Them no get money. Sankara grow up with sand for leg and hunger for belly. But him eye dey shine pass him age. He dey ask questions. Why our land get gold, but our people dey beg? Why black man dey obey Oyimbo law? That stubborn spirit na wetin push am go military school by age 17. 1966, he joined military academy. But Sankara no come here to just shoot gun. He come to understand how the world dey work and how Africa dey suffer am. Them later send am go Madagascar for more training. Na there he see revolution with him two eye. He see protests, students clash, poverty, resistance. He read books wey open him brain. Franz Fanon, Karl Marx, Kwame Nkrumah. He begin ask new question. Why we no fit control our land by ourselves? Na from there Sankara vow say, I no go be slave soldier. I go fight for people. The country don't scatter, corruption full everywhere. Politicians they chop money while people they chop garri with sand. But Sankara, he know they talk too much. He act. August 4, 1983, early morning breeze, blow for Ouagadougou. Gunshot sound small, na military coup. But no be coup to collect power, na coup to give power back to the people. Sankara enter office as head of state at just 33 years old, young, fearless, and ready to turn the whole system upside down. First thing Sankara do, he change the country name from Upper Volta, where Oyimbo give, to Burkina Faso, meaning land of upright people. Him talk say make we no carry colonial name again. We get our own identity. Na there many Burkinabe cry for the first time them feel say them belong. Sankara move fast like thunder. He cut minister salary. He ban presidential convoy. He sell government Mercedes and use bicycle. He plant over 10 million trees to fight desertification. He build schools, hospitals, roads with local workers. He make vaccination free for all. Within 2 weeks, over 2 million children collect vaccine. Na record that year. Or more. This no be normal government. This na people government. Sankara talk say, no revolution without women. He ban forced marriage. He tell men say make them wash their own clothes. He appoint many women into government, more than any African leader before him. One day, he even organized march say, men must go market. Or more. Burkina Faso shake that day. For Addis Ababa 1987, African leaders gather. IMF people dey there. Everybody they fear. But Sankara stand up and say, if Burkina Faso alone refuse to pay debt, I go die. But if all Africa refuse, them no fit kill all of us. He reject foreign loans. He say Africa no need handouts. We need dignity and unity. But wait, now there wahala start. Power day sweet and people where Sankara trust begin the plan for back. October 15, 1987, meeting they go on. Suddenly, gunshots scatter everywhere. Sankara and 12 of him men fall that day, ambushed and gunned down by him own people. Then bury him in shallow grave, without honor. But the spirit no die. The revolution just pause. But wait. If this Gistory they touch you small, I beg, support the hustle. e no go take anything from you. The support link there inside the description below. Just click and bless the movement. Because this kind African Gistory, you know they see am for TV or textbook. Now we go talk am raw as it take happen. Now, make we go back to Sankara spirit. Years pass, Sankara name no dey newspaper again. Them cancel am from history book. But one thing them no fit cancel, memory. Every market woman, every student, every poor man still they whisper that name. Sankara, Sankara, Sankara. It becomes symbol, it become ghost, it becomes spirit where they waka for wind. Even Pidgin whenever born when them kill am begin wear red beret to honor am. Because you fit kill man, but you no fit kill movement. Fast forward reach 2022. Na chaos again for Burkina Faso. Insecurity don't scatter the land. Foreign interests they use terrorism hold country for neck. But suddenly, one young soldier rise. Quiet, calm, but sharp like blade. Captain Ibrahim Traoré. Just 34 years old, younger than Sankara when him take power. October 2022, Traoré staged another military takeover, and the streets explode with joy. People shout, Sankara don't come back. Some say na reincarnation, some say na spiritual continuation. Traoré begin to talk, and he sound just like Sankara. He say we no go depend on foreign power again. He kick out French troops. He begin local farming campaign. He ban foreign NGOs where they do more harm than good. People begin call him Sankara with new boots. And when them ask him say why him no fear Western power, he just smile and say, I dey fight for my people and God dey. From Yako to Ouagadougou, from Sankara to Traoré, the footprints of courage still dey inside Burkina Faso soil. The youth they rise, the women they organize, the people they dream again. Lobi say the fight don't finish, but the fire don't start to burn again, and this time them no fit quench am. Sankara no die in vain. His voice still they echo. His vision still they alive inside minds of new African youth. Ibrahim Traoré no be perfect, but he don't awaken hope. And as for you where they watch, if this story move your heart, subscribe to this channel, PidginGistoryAfrica, where they bring the stories where school no go ever teach you. History way sweet, bitter, and real. And if you want support the hustle, just check the link inside the description. Until next time, Africa no go forget Sankara, and Africa go always remember you.